Hey, welcome to Unit Rates Education. Today, we're looking at unit rates. So, let's go. All right, first thing we got to figure out is, what is a unit rate? We've seen these a lot in life, and you're going to see them even more in life down the road. All right, the unit rates examples are miles per hour, dollars per gallon, feet per second, minutes per mile, dollars per ounce, cookies per person, cost per person, students per bus, damage per round, classes per day, likes per post, views per day, calories per serving, points per model, cost per month, dollars per hour, damage per second, and points per sprint. Whew. It's exhausting to say, but it's not an exhaustive list of unit rates that you'll come across. Okay? So, just examples of where you see these now and where you'll see these in the future in your life. All right? Unit rates, they don't go away. They're always there. All right, so let's look at an example here. Anna paints houses and was offered $2,200, not including supplies, to paint the outside of a house. How much will she make per hour if the house takes 80 hours to paint? All right, I know we're working with unit rate here. Let's think about what this is actually asking. Just got to think about it for a sec. All right. So what this is actually saying is, how much money does Anna make for 1 hour of painting? That's what a unit rate is. It's per one. Because how much does she make per hour? That means per 1 hour. All right, so I want to show two different methods here. The first one's the double number line. We have dollars and hours. All right, we know that we have $2,200 for 80 hours. We're trying to figure out how many dollars does she make for 1 hour of work. All right, so I'm taking the double number line here, and I'm taking the 80 and 2,200. I'm going to keep cutting in half until I get to a point to where I can easily get to 1. So 80 cut in half is 40. So then I'm going to cut 22 in half to 1,100. I'm going to cut those both in half again. I get 20 and $550. For 10 hours of work, she's going to make $225. And then from 10 to 1, I know I can just take 10 divided by 10 to get to 1, and 22 or 225 divided by 10 to get to 22.5. But we don't really ever say $22.5. That's weird. Yeah. So anyway, as we give our answer, let's use normal language. So if Anna worked 80 hours and made $2,200, she'd be making $22.50 per hour. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. That was the double number line method. Let's go with the fraction method, okay? This here, I know that I'm doing dollars per hour, so dollars divided by hours is always the order that you read it. Dollars per hour, dollars divided by hours. I know that she's making $2,200, and that will take 80 hours. And if you remember, fractions are just division, okay? Fractions are division. So to simplify this, I'll take 2,200 divided by 80 and make $22.5 for 1 hour. Again, no one really says $22.5. So in our answer, we're going to say this in normal terms. All right. So if Anna worked 80 hours and made $2,200, she'd be making $22.50 per hour. All right. So we got both these methods here. They both work. If the double number line makes sense to you, use that one. If the fraction method works for you, use that one. All right. One's faster than the other, one's more efficient, yes. But if this fraction method, which is more efficient, doesn't make sense, then use the double number line. Okay? You want to use the tools that work for you. Okay? All right. On this next part here, I want to be able to give some examples and time for you to practice. All right. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show a scenario, and then you're going to pause the video, and then you're going to try to answer it yourself. And then you're going to come back, press play, and then the answer will come up on the screen. And then we'll do that a few times on here so you can practice and see if you're doing it well. All right. So this first one here says I spent $30 on 10 gallons of gas. What is the cost per gallon? All right, pause the video, come back after you tried answering this. All right. So $30 per gallon, or then dollars per gallon, so $30 divided by 10 gallons, that's $3 per gallon. Okay? All right, next one. Ashley drove 250 miles in 5 hours. What was her average speed in miles per hour? All right, pause the video. Try it yourself. All right, here we go. Miles per hour, miles divided by hours, 250 miles divided by 5 hours, that's 50 miles per hour. All right, another one, here we go. All right, Nate made 24 cookies for 6 friends. How many cookies did he make for each friend? Whoa. Okay, there's no per in here, so you got to figure where that per belongs. All right, try it yourself. Pause the video. Come back when you got an answer. All right, we got cookies per friend is what we're really trying to figure out. So 24 cookies divided by 6 friends, that's 4 cookies per friend. All right, here we go. Whoa. You didn't see that. Whoa, you did not see that. All right, so Kate's character dealt 3,000 damage in 60 seconds. What was the character's damage per second? Try to figure it out. Pause the video. All right, here we go. Damage per second, damage divided by seconds, 3,000 damage divided by 60 seconds, that's 500 damage per second. All right, so if you want to see more examples like this or see what we're doing at Miaverse Education, visit us at miaverseed.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.